Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this ultimate C++ course we will talk about initialization of to-the array. In this video we will talk about how to initialize to-the array with loops and how to access the elements of to-the array that we initialize of data and access the data initialization data of to-the array. Just take a look, and I wanna jump to dev C++ and do it practically for you guys. Right. First of all, for example, we have marks int stu marks we have, and 3 students, 3 into 3, it means 9 location we have. And for this I already talked about that we need for to-the array, initialization of to-the array or accessing of to-the array, we need nested loops, right? For one dimension we have one loop, and for nested, I mean 2 dimension, we have nested loop. For example, I want to use for loop and int I, or we can say row is equal to how much? 0. It will start from 0, and row is less than 3, and row plus plus. After that we need another loop for int, this is column, just take here column, we'll initialize it to 0, and column less than how much? 3, because our column size is 3 and our row size is always also 3. Okay, and column plus plus, I mean C++, simple. After that, here I want something more, that see out a message for user, enter the marks and location how much? Location R and location C, and after that a space. Now see the result, and I want to see in what? cn stu marks of R and C. Simple. Just take a look and see the result, my dears. Enter the location, enter the marks in location 0 0. This is the index of array 0 0. Initialize, for example, 90 we have, 80 we have, like this. Marks we have to initialize with 9 location, right? And finish. Now if I initialize, and when I initialize, it will print me all the data, right? In this case, what you have to do, we need for another loop. Yes, this is for what? This is for entry. This is for entry, and this is for accessing, right? How to access now the data. int, just simple. This is for loop, this is also for loop, that we already talk about, right? I don't describe and I don't talk about for loop, that what is for loop and how to start from 0, less than 3, and R plus plus. What is this? No, because we already talk about this. Now just take how to access the elements of to-the array. int, for example, we have R as well, and starts from 0, and R is less than 3, R plus plus. Because starts from 0, and index starts from 0. Because less than of 3, our array size is 3, right? And we have another 4. Just take a look, and int C is equal to 0, and C is less than 3, and C plus plus, simple. And after that I want to see out what? See out stu marks of R and C, and after that I want space as well. Now just take a look and see the result. For example, we have marks 9 location, okay, and what happened? I want to initialize it again. Just take a look. Now see, in one line 34 for, but I don't want like this. I want to just come here, see out and L. Right, now just take a look and see the result. For example, we have this data. See, wow, nice. But I want one thing more. I want like this, that like in index we can also use, for example. Okay, but I want that whenever program print me the data, just take a look. I wanna do it practically for you guys. For example, we have like this. Now I want to clear that data, no needs of. In this case, you just simple, whenever accessing, simply use system and CLS. Now what is CLS? CLS stands for clear screen, right? Stand for clear screen, right? Clear screen. Wow. Now just take a look and see the result. Enter the data. For example, we have this and this and then this. Wow, nice, right? This was STU marks. Now if I have STU name simple, I want to 2 into 2 and start from 0 into 2 and 2. I want to change that and also 2 and 2 and simply STU marks, no STU name, right? Name. I hope you don't have any questions and any problem. STU name. Now just take a look and see the beautiful result. In location 00 we have James. Well, what happened? What happened? Wow. String. Now just take a look and see the result. In location 00 we have James. Nice. Jack. Nice. John. Nice. Ike. Finish. And array James, Jack, John, Jack, Ike. Right. This was all for this video, my dears. In this video we talk about how to initialize array with for loops and how to access the elements in the data of what array, to the array especially, right? I hope you enjoyed the video, my dears. If you enjoyed the video and like the video, my dears, and share it to friends and your classmates as well, and be sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, my dears. I will see you next time.